Let's look at the 68 Coronet for a minute. Now, if you're a car guy, you're gonna notice small details right off the bat. Like, she still needs to go to body, which is why we're doing the mechanical first. But there's really cool things about these cars that make them unique. For instance, this car was offered as a 6-pack 440 car, which would have made some serious power. Now, the owner who's had it for the better part of half a century, it's been in the family a very long time. They wanted the 6-pack 440 car, but they couldn't buy it then. But now they can. So, not only are we restoring their car, we're actually updating it, and we built them a 440. Didn't come with one, we made it happen. You can't go buy one. We actually built that engine in-house. Most auto repair shops won't even touch an engine or transmission. They say, send it away, take it to the dealer, go trade it. At Autotek, not only will we do major invasive services, we build them here in-house. Who does that? Just us. If you've got a concern about your Classic and you want to keep it in numbers to numbers and make sure it's yours and maintains that value, we'll actually work with you and your collector car insurance company to make sure that everything is documented appropriately so that you're not making a purchase into dad's old car. You're making an investment in your future. You're making an investment for your family and you're taking care of that lifeline. Let us take care of yours. And when you do, tell us a story. Leave it in the comments and tell us why you love your Classic.